Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's the big day. I am actually going to go ahead and select the giveaway winner for the Jeulia jewelry giveaway. So if you guys want to see who the winner is and to see if you won, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go, sorry, I got my coffee over here. I really needed it today. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the video for the giveaway, which was 1 week ago exactly.
What's up, guys? My name is Brett.
So let me pause this. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy the, where is it? Go to share. Copy the link. It's copied. So now I'm gonna go to Google. Comment picker. So it's gonna say YouTube random comment picker. So it's commentpicker.com. So I'm gonna go down to it says enter YouTube video URL. So I'm gonna paste here. And it's just gonna get YouTube comments. And let's see who won. So it's gathering up the comments, and there's 53 comments in that Jeulia jewelry comment picker. So it's not a lot of people, so that means that there's gonna be a good chance of somebody to win that entered the giveaway properly. Now remember that you were supposed to put, I think, the identification number, the ID number or the item number of the product. So if I pick a winner right now and the person didn't put the ID number, unfortunately you are disqualified. So I'll have to keep going until the person actually went on the website and got the item number and put it on there, okay? And actually commented the item number. So it says start raffle and pick random winner. So it's starting. Can't wait to see who won. The winner says that it is Rosa Vasquez, and she said, I would love to win the necklace with my 2-year-old's name. So she's not the winner because she did not put the ID number. It's really important to watch the whole giveaway videos, you guys, because you can literally be disqualified if you don't do it correctly. So we're gonna go ahead and pick another winner. So let's start again. Hopefully they put the identification number. Come on, you guys are killing me. Okay. I would love, okay, so the winner says it's Crystal Copeland, and I'm pretty sure she put it, I see it already. I would love to win, or I would love a necklace like that with my name on it. Oh, and it would be so cute with yours is really cute too. The necklace I would like is item number JEPN0342 with a sapphire for September. So thank you so much, my love, for actually watching the whole video and actually, you know, following the directions, because that's how you win, you guys. You have to make sure, you know, you follow all the protocol to be actually entered in the giveaways, because you can literally be disqualified for that, because that was kind of like the rules from the company. The company themselves were the ones that told me about how to go about the giveaway. So it is theirs, you know, their company, they're running the giveaway through me, and you know, I'm fortunate that I'm able to work with them for somebody to win. So thank you, Crystal Copeland, and congratulations, my love. And yeah, that is really it, you guys. Let me see. So this was a week ago, and yeah, if you guys have not checked out Jeulia Jewelry, I'm wearing her necklace right now, the company's necklace. It is so beautiful. I love it so much. I'm so happy that I got it, and it's super inexpensive for something that's gonna last you a while. And I'm very happy with it. I still wear my ring every single day. Sometimes I do take my bracelet off because of me, like, I don't know, I just sometimes do get annoyed of wearing bracelets because of I don't know, when I clean and stuff, depending on the bracelet, but it's just, I'd rather just keep it safe sometimes because I feel like I don't want anything to happen to it. But yeah, other than that, I do want to say thank you so much to everyone who joined the giveaway and for you guys always participating in the giveaways. I try to do as many and I will be having more coming up. I would love to do a giveaway for my 12K because you guys helped me reach 12K. So watch out for a video on my part. I will be doing a small giveaway for someone for 12K. And what else? I think that's all. I am having a Dollar Tree video doing my nails with actual Dollar Tree nails or Dollar Tree nail tips. So I'm probably gonna record this today. So yeah, pretty much right now after I'm done with this video, I'll have that video up. So stay tuned because I'm gonna do some cool nails. I'll probably do some stilettos or something. So look out for that video right after this one and it's gonna be fun, guys. I'm also gonna be doing another Dollar Tree haul video because I haven't been to the Dollar Tree so long and I really want to go. Probably incorporate other things in the video as well. But that is pretty much it, you guys. I keep saying that, but it's not because I feel like I still want to keep talking to you guys such a short video. But other than that, you guys, I have an announcement to make pretty soon this month. Something that doesn't really have to do with nails, but it has to do with me, and basically be doing an online website, like a store website for lip glosses. It's just a company that me and my mom started recently. That's why I've been kind of busy. I am still going to be doing my acrylic line, but that's very, how do you say it? It's more like, I feel like it's more tedious because it's very important to get the product as good as I can get it. So, and it's a lot more work to that. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Me and my mom have some stuff coming up. I feel like it's really fun to do because it's with my mother. And I don't know if I should start another channel for that. I really don't know because there's a lot that goes into it as well. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys stay tuned and I will be doing giveaways on my upcoming product line of the lip glosses and stuff because I want to incorporate a lot of other things into this business as well. So I just have a lot of stuff to do organized wise. I really do have a fascination with both the nail world and the cosmetic world, so there's no reason why everybody can't do more than one thing, obviously. But obviously nails is my passion and it's something I just really wanted to help my mom with, so I hope you guys support us with that too and let me know what you guys think about that idea. Also, once again, I'm done with the video. Sorry that I rambled so much. I just want to talk to you guys a little more, but thank you so much for watching once again, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I always do giveaways, so you'll always have a chance to win. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye-bye.